So another before breakfast adventure. I walk about 5 or 6 miles a day just for a couple of hours, and today I'm in the Cotswolds and I'm going up Banbury Tower just south of Tewkesbury. So I'm following the public footpaths and I'll show you the amazing views at the top. It's on the Ordnance Survey map. It's one of those that's got the blue symbol for the panoramic views, and that's when I'm on these, when I'm sort of traveling and looking for an early morning walk. That's what I look out for often, because you can just find those panoramic view symbols on your S-Map app, and then find the nearest village to park your car and then walk on up. So what I've done is I parked in Great Comberton and then made my way on the public footpaths to the tower. And now I'm on my way back down again, just in time for breakfast. You can do this in about 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours, depending on your pace. I took a little bit longer going up because I've done a loop and I went slightly off piste as normal through some sheep fields, and it got pretty steep at points, but made it to the top. And I've literally come down now in, well, not quite 30 minutes, and I'm almost back in the village, back to the car to get home for breakfast. So it's possible. So even though this is my retirement life, I can still be home for 8:30, 9 a.m. and still do an adventure. So even if you're working, say working from home, it's possible to do this sort of adventure or this exercise every day. Just getting up a bit earlier I got here at about 7 o'clock this morning, up to the top and back down again, and I'll be home. I'll probably be home just after 9. So anyway, I hope this is helpful to you. I'm trying to post some content which hopefully helps people check out some beautiful country walks in England, in particular at the moment, as I'm doing a bit of a series of the different places we're visiting on our early retirement travels this summer. So I hope it's helpful to you, and please leave a comment if you've walked up here, and if you've got any other really fantastic walks you can recommend in this area, that we most appreciated. So until next time, bye for now.